Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Lab with Anna and Leo.
Hi, everyone. I'm Leo, and I'm happy to be here with you today.
Today, we will talk about feelings and emotions in simple English.
We will use easy words, short sentences, and real examples.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to speak naturally.
I will ask questions and give short answers you can copy.
I will teach useful words and help you make your own sentences.
I will repeat the new words so you can repeat at home.
Let's start our journey to express emotions in English. Let's start with some basic feelings.
The words are happy, sad, tired, angry, and scared.
Great! More words are worried, bored, excited, and calm.
More words are relaxed, nervous, surprised, and confident.
Excellent! These are words we use every single day.
Yes, we can use them to say how we feel in different situations.
Now let's make simple sentences.
I am happy today.
I am sad because it's raining.
I am tired after work.
I am angry because my phone is broken.
I am excited for the weekend.
I am worried about my exam. Now let's learn how to ask about feelings.
I will ask and answer with short lines.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
How do you feel today?
I feel happy today.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am a little tired.
Are you nervous?
No, I feel calm.
That's good. Asking about feelings shows you care about people.
Yes, it's a polite and friendly way to talk in English.
Now let's learn some strong emotions.
The words are love, hate, fear, joy, and stress.
More words are hope, peace, anger, sadness, and happiness.
More emotions are disappointment, frustration, excitement, and confidence.
We can use these words to talk about deep feelings.
Yes, like in real life when something important happens.
Let's use them in sentences.
I feel love when I see my family.
I feel fear when I hear a loud noise.
I feel joy when I play with my dog.
I feel stress when I have too much work.
I feel peace when I walk on the beach.
I feel frustration when the internet is slow. Now let's describe how other people feel.
Okay, I will listen and repeat.
She is happy because she got a new job.
He is sad because he lost his wallet.
They are excited about their vacation.
We are nervous before the exam.
I am proud of my friend for his success.
My parents are relaxed on Sunday.
Remember, feelings can change during the day.
Yes, sometimes I feel happy in the morning and tired at night.
Let's practice polite questions about feelings.
I will ask and answer.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay, thank you.
What's wrong?
I'm a little tired today.
Can I help you?
Yes, please, that would be nice.
Do you need a break?
Yes, I need a short break.
These are great phrases for work or school conversations.
Yes, they make you sound kind and polite.
Now let's talk about how we show emotions with actions.
The verbs are smile, cry, laugh, shout, and relax.
More verbs are hug, sigh, dance, breathe, and frown.
I smile when I'm happy.
I cry when I'm sad.
I laugh when something is funny.
I shout when I'm angry.
I relax when I listen to music.
I breathe deeply when I feel nervous.
I hug my friends when I feel love.
Let's use because to say why we feel something.
I feel happy because I finished my work early.
I feel tired because I didn't sleep well.
I feel calm because I am at home.
I feel angry because I lost my wallet.
I feel excited because I will travel soon.
I feel nervous because I have a job interview.
I feel proud because I helped my friend.
Now let's do a short conversation about feelings.
Okay, I'll be the student and you the teacher.
Hi, Leo. How do you feel today?
I feel great, thank you. And you?
I feel good too. Are you busy today?
Yes, a little. I have some work to do.
Don't worry, you'll finish soon.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
What makes you happy, Leo?
Talking to you in English makes me happy.
That's so nice. You are improving every week. Let's learn phrases to show support and empathy.
The phrases are, I'm sorry to hear that, and don't worry.
More phrases are, that's great, good for you, and cheer up.
I'm sorry to hear that you are sick.
Don't worry, you will feel better soon.
That's great. You passed your exam.
Good for you, you worked hard.
Cheer up. Tomorrow is a new day.
These phrases help you sound friendly and caring. Let's talk about mood changes.
Sometimes we feel different emotions in one day.
Yes, for example, I feel sleepy in the morning and energetic after coffee.
I feel calm in the afternoon and happy at night.
I feel stressed on busy days, but relaxed on weekends.
I feel bored when I have nothing to do.
I feel excited when I plan a trip. Let's connect feelings to daily situations.
I feel happy when I meet my friends.
I feel sad when I miss my family.
I feel nervous before a big presentation.
I feel relaxed when I take a walk after work.
I feel proud when I finish something difficult.
I feel angry when someone is rude. Let's practice a short role play at work.
Okay, I'll be a coworker today.
Hi, Leo. You look worried. Are you okay?
I'm a little stressed about the meeting.
Don't worry. You will do great.
Thank you. That helps.
Would you like to practice your presentation with me?
Yes, please. That makes me feel more confident.
Great. Let's start together. Let's share what makes us feel good.
I feel happy when I eat my favorite food.
I feel relaxed when I listen to soft music.
I feel proud when I help someone.
I feel calm when I meditate.
I feel excited when I learn new things.
That's a great list. Everyone has their own emotional world. Now let's review some keywords and sentences.
Happy, sad, tired, angry, and scared.
Worried, bored, excited, and calm.
Love, fear, joy, stress, and peace.
Smile, cry, laugh, shout, and relax.
I feel happy because it's sunny.
I feel tired because I worked late.
I feel calm because I am at home.
I feel proud because I learned something new. Let's finish with a review dialogue.
I will answer your questions with one short sentence.
How do you feel today?
I feel happy today
Why do you feel happy?
because I am learning English.
What makes you feel tired?
Long days at work make me tired.
What makes you feel relaxed?
Listening to music makes me relaxed.
What makes you feel proud?
Helping my friends makes me proud.
You did an amazing job today learning feelings and emotions.
Thank you. I learned many new words and sentences.
You can listen again and repeat to practice pronunciation.
You can also write your own feeling sentences at home.
Thank you for listening to English Lab with Anna and Leo.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep practicing simple English every day.
See you next time and talk about your feelings with confidence.